Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, we got to talk about yesterday's. I had quite a few stocks on the watch list. And if you had a chance to listen to yesterday's whisper, we were bearish on rice below 25.50. That's where we spotted that pre-market price action. And you can see she came all the way down, still looking weak. No volume this morning. All right, so I'm not going to trade this one, but this was a fantastic short yesterday. Also, we had our eye on Barclays. We had spotted that print at 8.55. I was only bearish below 8.50, and you can see could not break down below that. Therefore, we did not take that trade. STO is another one we were watching, and we were bearish below 15.40, and this was a fantastic short right from the get-go. But the one that most of my traders jumped into was Coca-Cola, KO. We spotted those huge prints at $42.05. We were bullish as long as it could stay above 42. Big level, and so many of my traders were rocking this one. So great job, everybody. I know that Vegas did the stock, and many of us did the options. So many different ways you could have traded this one, but it worked out really, really nicely. But we were really watching the SPY. The big level, if you recall, we spotted 40 million dark pool prints at 214.24. Well, guess what? We're above that, so we're bullish. If we do close below that level in the future, that's when I'm going to put on my bear suit, all right? So let's definitely keep an eye on that level. But there was one trader yesterday that really rocked it. His name is Wayne, and we call him the Cowboy. Wayne, holy smokes, Wayne. Fantastic call out. Amazon, he was rocking that. And also First Solar, thank you so much for that. So many of us in the pit took that trade on your pre-market call out. So really appreciate all that you add to the room. Okay, so what are we watching today? Well, we have a lot of things. We have 7 Fed speakers, durable goods. We got the oil numbers coming out today. Holy cow, we have a lot of stuff. So we're going to have amazing volatility. And we had some earnings. So let's go to that first. Nike came out with earnings, even though they knocked it out of the park. Future growth not looking great. Taxes. We're going to watch 54 on Nike. That's a really, really big level. If it stays below 54, that's going to be bearish, and there's a ton of room to go to the downside there. But I'm going to be bullish only if she could break above 55. All right, so there's a lot of room here where I wouldn't particularly trade, but I'm going to be bullish above 55, bearish below 54 on that one. Also, BlackBerry. BlackBerry came out with earnings, and I spotted some selling this morning at $8.37. And you can see it came all the way down. If BlackBerry could break above $8.37, there is a trade up to about $8.80. That's the top of that channel, but that's definitely the level to watch. And I'm going to be bearish below 8 on BlackBerry. We spotted a big print on PHG this morning. 100,000 shares traded, dark pool trade, 29.69, and I'm going to be bullish above 29.75. All right, there's a lot of room to go on the upside to 30, and then of course if it can break above 30, there's an even bigger trade to go there. And let's see, what else are we watching? Oh, COTY definitely has a lot of volume. I spotted refreshing on ARCA at 24.10. Let me see if I can get back there. Up, it erased here. If you're in the trading room, I showed you exactly what that looked like. But watch this 23.80 level. Yesterday, there was some really big dark pool prints on here. So I'm going to be bearish if she breaks below 23.80, and I'm going to be bullish above that 24.10 refreshing. That's how we're going to trade this. Come watch me trade these stocks and so many more at the Java Pit Trading Room at www shop.thestockwhisperer.com. It's only $9.95, you guys, for a 30-day trial membership. What are you waiting for? Happy trading, everybody.